Give your affirmations a makeover to turn them into transformative statements. Affirmations can have a profound effect on your mindset and really help you to focus on achieving your dreams. But did you know that there are ways to make your affirmations even more powerful and transformative? Here are some expert tips to help you take your affirmations to the next level. 1. Accentuate the positive. It's easy to focus on what you don't want, e.g., I don't want to be alone, I don't want to be fat. Even saying you want to be debt-free is focusing your attention on the debt, not on having more money. Including aspects of what you don't want in affirmations keeps your energy and confidence levels low. Boost your positive energy with positive words. Include positive I am statements that focus on your strengths, talents, and potential. Start each affirmation with I am or I can to reinforce your own capacity to reach your goals. Here are some examples of positive affirmations. I am passionate about my work. I can be financially free. I can stop smoking. I am smart and strategic in my business. I can achieve whatever I set out to do. 2. Include one little word. You can lift the energy and intensity of your affirmations by making sure you include one simple word, easily. I am easily earning all the money I need. I can easily stop smoking. I am easily running 10 miles. I am easily losing weight. Including the word easily in your affirmations not only makes them more powerful, but you're telling your subconscious mind that they are achievable in a calm, matter-of-fact way. 3. Make affirmations part of your routine. Setting up an affirmations habit sends a signal to your subconscious mind that they are essential. Set aside regular times to say your affirmations out loud to yourself, preferably in front of a mirror to reinforce your commitment to yourself. Repeat your affirmations 3 to 5 times a day at scheduled times so you don't forget. Make them a priority habit. The more you practice, the more your subconscious mind will take them on board, and your self-doubt will start to recede. 4. Back up your affirmations with actions. Even the most positive affirmation will have little effect if you don't do anything. Make sure your actions align with your affirmations. Think of what you can do every day to live according to your affirmations. Every success, small or large, will reinforce the power of your stated commitments, and you take another step closer to achieving your dreams.